Introducing the Time Cube, the art of simplicity in time management. This sleek, 2.5-inch cubic-shaped timer is here to make your life easier. Let's take a closer look. The Time Cube is more than just a timer. It's a versatile time management tool. It has 4 preset time options and just turn it. No need for complex setups or fumbling with buttons. To use it, simply turn the cube to the side with your desired preset time, and the countdown starts instantly. The Time Cube features a new pause function, allowing you to stop and resume the countdown at your convenience. Keep an eye on your progress with the rotating display. The countdown LCD display is large and rotates with the unit's direction. It's never been easier to stay on top of your tasks. When time is up, Time Cube offers multiple alarm options to fit your preferences. Choose between a high or low buzzer alarm, a silent 4 blue LED light alarm for privacy, or both. To stop the alarm, just turn the Time Cube's LCD display side down. Time Cube isn't just a timer, it's a perfect time management tool. Whether you're working, studying, or need to stay on schedule, the Time Cube has your back. So if you want to stay productive or need a reliable timer, choose the Time Cube model that fits your needs from the wide selections. The Time Cube, the art of simplicity in time management. Get yours today and take control of your time effortlessly.